happy day. It feels like -1 degrees outside. That's quite great for us North Carolinians. I think we're doing pretty good in this weather. I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks we're doing to make it work, and we'll overcome some problems together. I'm sure we'll have some problems. This is what we do on a homestead in a really cold day. How do you guys like it? He certainly gets to stay in. Tip number 1, let the little kids stay in. Number 2, lots of redundancy and heat, and keep it going. I forgot to show you. Cook really nice meals. Take some time, take some extra time for the meals. That's a brisket. It's the best.
He's the best.
Hey, did you find the tool for me?
No, but it's downstairs.
Okay, you good? Good. Wear lots of layers. Get off the one that's closest to the four-wheeler. Get a hose inside. Kids have lost all my tools.
No.
Anybody got a tip on that one? I think I'm gonna have a tool bag and I'm gonna lock it away somewhere. And the kids can buy their own tools. And if they need to check out a tool with me, maybe they need to give me $5, $10. And I'll give that $10 back when you bring the tool back. Maybe that's it. Can I get it with the Leatherman? I mean, that's an all-around tip right there. Carry a multi-tool. Don't matter if it's cold or hot. That ain't getting on that. This mega homestead, and we don't have a tool to get the hose off.
Many minutes later.
I just wasted 30 minutes of my life. Still nothing. Sun's coming up. Hopefully I'll thaw these things out quick enough. Look, listen to my speech. It's so cold out here. They've got water. It's unfrozen. You can't make mistakes like this. Not rolling this hose up yesterday. Not having tools. Come on. A deep bedded run for us. Wood chip run for the cows. Plenty of room for the hierarchy to jostle about. Wood chips on the concrete so they don't slip. A deep bedded barn for the animals. Wood chips to capture their manure and urine. Trough heater keeps the waters unfrozen. It's gonna be 38 degrees today, but because it's 0 right now, I don't know if things will thaw out. I mean, that is above freezing, but things are gonna be hard. These things are gonna be frozen hard. Y'all know about my wood boiler. So let's just call this tip redundancy. I have a wood boiler, a wood stove. We have a gas furnace that can run on gas or electric. Greenhouse for the chickens. Collect all eggs in the afternoon or this happens. See that? They got frozen and burst the shell. Not all of them did. Well, Beck, I give up. If you're going to town, I need a crescent wrench, a channel lock, pliers, and vice grips. Take the cold day, not for outside projects, which is what I love the most, and just make yourself do inside projects. Like, we're gonna take these shelves out, line this whole wall with shelves from the farm, wood from the farm, shelves, all the way to the roof. We have to make a special video about that. Wait a minute, Josiah says he's found the channel locks. You find the channel locks?
They were just right there on the ground.
What? On the ground?
Yeah.
Pro tip, we're gonna roll up this hose, get it inside, get it thawed out. After we're using it this afternoon, we're gonna lay it on this sloped road so all the water will come out of it and it can just be there. It doesn't have to be inside. Lay it in the sink. Tip 2. Yeah, definitely the tip. All right, thanks, my man.
3 hours later.
Right, shoot. They are out of water. Hopefully our hose is thawed out. We can fill it up. It's handy having the cows right there in the backyard. It feels thawed out. Will this work? We might be thawed out enough. It's working. Needs a patch, but it's working. What?
Whoa!
I know, did you break this?
No, no.
We're gonna fix this once and for all. He says these handy dandy hose repair kits. Here's a male to male, and then we've lost our female end. Male end. No, yeah, male end. We'll just replace it. First, you cut the bad piece off. Put that in. One end. Male to male in there. The hose on. You got your clamps on there. Okay, got that snug and secure. Should we see if it's working? Pressure on it? Not leaking. We did it good. Thank you for coming and helping me. What are we making for supper?
I don't know what it's called.
A pork roast with apples and onions. Yeah. Did the apples and the onions and the seasoning. Thyme and sage and rosemary and salt and pepper. Browning up each quarter to lock in the juices. This afternoon, burn it up cooking show, a duck soup. I am on a 4-day fast with a friend. Need a little reset myself. Fasting documentary coming out Friday. Never before seen footage. I went 28 days, 31 days without food. Smalts from the land. Smelling so good. I think I've ever had duck soup. Let me show you one last winter tip. You gotta unhook the spigots. Drained our hose. I'm gonna put it inside just in case. And you unhook the spigot. Good man. Check people's water.
No, I have not. But they were all running, so they have water.
Okay. I've noticed when you fast, that's the best time to cook. You want to cook so well because you're so hungry. I'm gonna cut this off the bones. I'm gonna start a bone broth. I'll just save this soup for the day after my fast. Happy day.